Okay, guys. Day 17. Day 6, actually. This guy had a hook shot, but he kind of lost it. Oh my god, did you find it?
No.
Oh, I'm here.
I know.
Yeah, so we're gonna go, but
Bro.
he needs to find his hook shot first. How much did a hook shot cost?
It cost me so damn much. I got some nuts and I also think I got... Look at me, I have a halo on my head.
Wait, I'm gonna go see how much nuts I have. Yeah, I sold a diamond and I got all them nuts. So we're gonna go buy flashlight, a stick. I'm gonna look.
What's 121 plus 49?
Wait, I actually bought 2 flashlights, you can take it. 121 plus 49.
Mm-hmm.
It is 170.
Wait, I'm back going to a public lobby.
Okay. Wait, what for?
How do I leave this lobby?
No idea. Just join the popular code. I'm falling, guys. Help me. No, no. What, stick? Stop. Yeah, he's going in the public lobby to try and get some weapon. I see a hook shot. It's kind of stuck in the wall, though. It's like up. I'll try and grab it. I grabbed it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. I'll just come back down.
You got my hook shot back, he's a go.
I got the hook shot, guys.
He's
I'm gonna
crazy.
keep it. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Didn't it?
So, it was all the way on top of that red carpet.
I told you I was high.
Bro, he said he... Oh, no, I lost my flashlight.
Did you?
Yeah. Because I didn't get my flashlight.
Come here, come here.
But, yeah, I can't afford a flashlight. Oh, but...
I'll just buy another one.
What, you can afford one?
Aye.
Alright, let's go back to the Megalodon.
Wait.
You got a bag?
Yeah.
How much money do you have?
Not a lot.
How did you...
I have 74 now.
You can afford another bag.
Yeah, I can.
A lot. I can't even afford a bag.
We spent all that.
On 2 flashlights for me and you, and I lost one to get you a hit shot.
But
It was low-key worth it.
it was, because now.
Now we can actually see now. Turn your flashlight on. Let's go.
This is crazy.
Wait, remember where? Do you remember where it is?
Right there. Open up.
Open sesame. Damn, it worked. Oh, that was horror. No.
That was so great. Ow.
Right, guys, let's go. He's got...
I'm scared.
Same.
Last time we went in here, I got attacked by a heart. Yeah, you heard me right.
Where did you go? Hello?
Hi.
Nah, where are you?
You not see?
Oh, you're up there. I couldn't see up.
Well, I was felt like it. I was spinning. Around the world. Let's go.
I can't get over. I can't go over. I can't go over.
Why?
It's too big. It's literally too big to get over.
Look, I don't even need this hook shot now. Ow.
You don't need the hook shot to get over. You just used the hook shot though.
No?
He did.
Wait, keep me safe, I'm about to pee.
Okay. If I can get over. Guys, this is scary. I'm all alone inside here and I can't get over. I don't have a stick anymore. No. My stick broke. Nah. I can't do anything. I literally can't. I got over at least. I don't have a stick. Oh no, I didn't get a bag full of sticks. No, I don't think. No way. Oh wait, I think the flashlight works as a stick. Hopefully it does. So guys, I'm not sure if the flashlight works as a stick. I think it does. Oh, what just happened? Oh my god, he's upside down. Oh no. No, I need him to get back. Come on. Come on, get back. Come on, I'm gonna die out here. Oh, my battery. 87. Come on, hurry up. There's eyes. Yeah. Oh, my stick broke. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I got up. But the flashlight works as a stick. Come up here. Right, let's go. But you know what we do? Just get high and the hearts can't get us, okay?
Might be hard.
No, it's not. Because look, this works as a stick. I still fell, but... Guys, my screen just went black.
What?
We found out what was happening. Well, we didn't really find out, but we fixed it. As you can tell. Oh, I got my flashlight back.
I put the flashlight right up to your VR headset and that hurts.
Damn. Oh no, it's these little creepy guys. Hey, I'm just gonna walk past.
Okay, if I just walk around. Like, I don't want to hurt you guys, I just want to be friends. But I mean, be friends, I'm gonna kill you soon.
What? No, we ain't. Little bro, come. Little bro, yo, bro. Where are you? Bro, you're over there.
Where? What?
Look, that eye thingy.
What eye thing?
That.
I don't see it, it's not there on my screen. I don't know if you're seeing him.
I am. If you watch the recording, you'll see.
What's it? Up front.
Yeah, just jump on top of it. Yeah, I'm just gonna jump onto this first. Just to make sure I'm gonna actually get up. Oh wait, so it's pretty, you don't even need to do parkour to get over. Well, you kinda do need to do parkour. But like, it's not that. But made it over. No, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it. I fell. Yeah. Parkour again. Guys, you might want to speed it up until I get it.
Yeah, just put your, if you're on mobile, put your finger on it.
Just hold your finger.
Yeah.
No, don't hold your finger on the screen.
And it puts on 2 times speed.
Yeah.
If you're on mobile. I don't know what.
I don't know how to get it on like PC and Xbox and stuff and PlayStation.
I don't even think it's on Xbox, but like, you don't have to do it on PC. You go to playback, you pause the video, you go to playback, and then you speed it up.
Yeah, but does not speed up the whole video.
Yeah, but then you can turn it off.
No!
You were that
I'm
close,
so
bro.
close. The flashlight's low-key better.
Where you at?
I'm on the first one. Where are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're up.
No.
Oh, I'm on the second one. Bro, you just jumped down from the second one now. Eh. Right.
Like, motivation. I'm gonna come with you. We've got this. Got this. You're so close, bro. You got
I
this.
fell down.
I'll show you the flashlight on where you need to go. This might like make it so you have adrenaline and you go towards it. See?
Bro, that's a strat. You know what the strat is? You kind of jump off of it. You go like that, and then you hit up. See, you go far.
Whoa.
You go far.
Wow.
Guys, this is kind of funner. This is low-key fun. For you, it might be pretty boring. So I said to speed it up a little, Timmy.
Yeah, Timmy, we kind of said 2 minutes ago to speed it up.
That probably felt like half a minute ago, which is like 30 seconds, I think.
No,
Yeah.
32 seconds.
A minute ain't 64 seconds. That's a stack in Minecraft, you don't know.
Oh. Oh. That was smart.
Nah, bro, you dumb.
You're dumb. You're stupid. You have no.
Guys, remember to join my Discord server.
Yeah, also join the like, so subscribe to that. Good.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, do that. Wait, say it again?
Subscribe.
Yeah, you heard him right. They're both of us. Yeah, I'm gonna at him.
Yeah, but like, at me and wait, we both make links, right, to each other's channel. Like, we both copy each other's links.
I'm up.
Well, you are.
Yeah, I'm up. Just coming. You ain't up there.
No, I'm just grappling.
Oh yeah. Wait, where did you find the diamond?
I don't know.
Cause that was good. Yeah, see that guy. There's gonna be one more, I'm pretty sure. Right, where did we go here?
Oh, we went down.
Let's go.
It's the heart.
Not much people saw the last one, but we go into there.
I don't wanna.
Look at that heart guy.
Nah, I'm not losing my hook shot. I'm leaving.
Why?
I'm not losing my hook shot.
No, but then you could. No, I know why you can't die. Because if you go and then hook shot all the way, like hook shot high. How impossible? That's possible. I done it with a stick. You can do it with a hook shot. Please just try. At least try. Okay, I'm gonna do it then.
You're gonna fail.
It's funny how the hearts don't notice me. Nope, it's coming. I got through though. Yeah. No, I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out with the megalon. I know. I don't know where I am though. Guys, help, help, bro. Lizzie, help.
What?
Because I'm at a random place. I swear I just heard the heart behind me.
You're fine.
It's not behind me, but I see a tail. Like, there's a hole inside the tail. I'm just gonna run as far as I can. I can't go past here. Nah, I'm stuck. Because I can't go past. Literally, I can't. I'm stuck. Guys, look. See, I just like stopped. It's so peaceful here, though. Huh? What? What? Oh yeah, that thing. I think
Everyone in the comments, but I'm shut up.
everyone in the comments spam the L shark. L eyeball in the chat. L eyeball in the chat. Yeah, we don't have his POV, but just think of him getting eaten by an eyeball.
Think of me being eaten by them eyeball monsters.
Yeah, them eyeball monsters, just think of him get eaten by them.
They want to cross off.
Oh, so it doesn't do much.
Nah, I got my hook shot.
Wait, are you out?
I'm out.
Wait, no, I'm stuck here.
Wait, where you at?
I'm stuck. I don't know.
Re-
Nah, I ain't resetting, bro. I explore it. Why is it so glitchy?
You're in the far one.
Yeah, I know I am. And I can go out the map right now.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. It'll kick you from.
I'm not in the far one. Wait, it's not glitching anymore. Should I just reset?
Yeah.
Nah, bro, I ain't resetting.
Well,
Wait, how about you come? Because it's easy. I ran,
how would I plot?
because I ran through the floor. I just ran on the floor and got past.
Where are you?
I'm in the far ones, I think.
You're not far away, the far one.
Yeah, I know, but like literally, there's literally nothing. What's in the far ones?
The only way is to reset.
No, what's in it?
Glitchiness and stuff you don't want to.
What, is there a bunch of water?
Yeah.
Which I'm in.
Bro's in the far ones, bro. Get him out.
What, I...
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Well, you're in the forest. Yeah, just join me. Guys, if you watch my new vids, you'll see me. And, yeah. Well, you won't see it, but like, you'll hear it. See my hand swing. Wait, where are you? Guys, what? Yeah. I don't remember. Yesterday.
Wait, IRL.
Yeah. Didn't see it, but like, they saw my hand move in
Oh, yeah.
Brawl Tag.
Oh yeah, he punched.
I got
where my heart
59,
is.
so go by stick.
See, in this backpack, I have a hook shot. I don't want to lose this hook shot. Took it a stick.
But you can't have a backpack. You can't have a hook shot in the backpack in your stash.
You
Can
can.
you?
Yeah,
When?
it's always.
Mm.
I have a hook shot and a flashlight.
Hmm.
I am never taking this hook shot away.
Unless you need it.
Nah, bro, this is like my
So
pride.
I got
and
fishing
possession.
rod, tree stick, pickaxe, and flashlight. In my.
I've got a tablet
Is there
plunger
any
in the
place
backpack.
that we've not really explored?
I've explored a lot of
What
places.
places have we not explored? Should we go back down into the cave? No, not the caves. Come here, under the tree.
Nope.
Nah, because we could beat red light, green light.
Look, I'm not bringing my hook
Yeah,
shot.
don't bring your hook shot.
Because I'm gonna die.
Mhm.
I'll put the hook shot back in the bag. Put the hook shot back in the bag. Okay. Bring 2 sticks.
One stick and a flashlight, that's what I'm bringing. Bro, I got you. I got a flashlight, I got you, bro.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go. But, it is on, yeah, this is on, it's, the flashlight's on. Let's go down.
Help.
I ain't coming down, low, bro. I ain't coming down. I'm joking, I'm joking. I can't. Oh, okay, I can't. And then, what?
Get the hell out of me.
What then? Yeah, the chicken. All we gotta do is bonk it, give
Ow.
one good bonk to the head and it's dead. Yeah?
That round.
Yeah, I know. I wanted it to. Bro, right here! Right here, look! Well, I'm here. I'm in front of you. Why'd you hit me? Brick, look.
Break it, please.
I've got nuts.
I don't think I'm give you some other stuff. Watch out, I'll give you other stuff. I broke my stick broke.
Oh no. Don't you have sticks in your bag, or did you not bring a bag?
I didn't bring it back, bro. Break up.
I got nothing. Well, a plunger.
Up on the tree.
It fell though. My thingy broke.
You still have that plunger?
No, because you're holding it. Oh wait, no, it's here. Yeah, I got it.
Alright.
Can you break stuff with a plunger? Bro, you dropped your flashlight.
Yeah, I know.
What, on purpose?
Yeah.
Right, let's see if it can.
Do I have the umbrella on my back?
Yeah, it's on your back. Are we leaving?
Yes. No.
Why?
Because I need this umbrella.
Umbrella rare.
No, but I want it. Hui. 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 And if I fall?
Wait,
How am I going to get out of
doesn't the
here?
hook shots, no, this stick to stuff?
Does it want
The
stick?
plunger sticks to stuff.
Yeah. That's not going to help us get
Yeah, no, because it's not sticking to the wall up here. I'm doing my gorilla tag skills. I fell.
out.
No, I'm falling. Please. Oh wait, what about the little tiny gap at the top? Did you fall all the way down? Because you're plunger. I'm still all the way down. What? Why? And I dropped mine. Did you fall down? I need this plunger. No, I can hear you. Wait, how long have you been recording? 18 minutes plus like 7. Oh, it's probably done. Do you want to just reset?
It's not a bad idea. I should keep my umbrella for a sec.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, reset. Yeah, we should be in the same code. You should have the umbrella and I should have the plunger. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, all the nuts I got. So I got 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35. That's like 300. You've not seen. 200. How much money do you have? How much nuts do you have?
240.
I have 261.
60. Dun, 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 dun.
7. Boo!
Where were you at?
I'm at the stash bit.
I...
Should I spend 250 of my nuts?
Oh,
Oh,
no.
no, I need 5. I don't need the bamboo fishing rod. So I just walk away, drop the fishing rod, put the plunger in, put the plunger in.
I just
I'm gonna use my actual password, even though it's not my password. Flashlight, pickaxe, plunger, tree stick. But that's all we need, really. Yeah. And I still got 261 for weapons, which I forgot you can't really buy stuff with nuts. Can't buy much though.
Stuff that you own.
No, like anything else.
Obviously.
Wait, you can't?
Yeah, obviously not.
How?
Obviously you can't buy other stuff with nuts. Obviously you can't buy other stuff with research points.
I never knew that. Where are you? I'm gonna hit you for.
Up your bum.
I'm gonna hit you for fishing rod.
Oh, I like this color way better. It's a really subtle change, but I'm a bit more lighty now.
Right, what do you want to do?
No idea. Jump in here.
In where? Nah, actually, genuinely.
You don't know where I am. Choked.
Just punched you. You went you're flying.
Leave a review. No.
Leave a review.
Yeah, do it.
Nah,
Yeah, you get a hat.
no, you didn't get it.
You did.
Oh, wait.
I have the Halo one. You don't even have to leave a review. You just have to hold it down, right? It'll appear in front of you, right? Click the meta button twice, then it goes away, and you still get it.
I done it. Have I got Halo on?
Follow me. Come with me. Come to this hat. Come over here. Come on here. Scroll down to hat,
Yeah, and
and then you should have the halo.
scroll down. You don't even scroll. Oh yeah, you need to scroll down a tiny bit. Hat. Don't see any halo. Just scrolling for halo.
Golden halo.
I don't see it.
No.
I don't.
I really want, what's it called? The propeller cap. It's so funny.
Wait, how much do you need to scroll to see it?
I don't know, it was just right there for me. Right, it equipped it automatically for me. It's like golden halo. You found it?
No.
Wait, are you looking at hats?
Yeah. All I see is none. Frog-eyed headband. Horns headband. Bad
What a minute.
hair. Sight safety hat. Jester hat. Knife hat. Mage hat. Some Mexican hat. I don't know what it's called. Dida Moritz hat. Fedora hat. Mimic hat. Patriot hat. Pimp hat. Plunger hat. Propeller cap. Sweatband. Toilet hat. Tiara. Birthday hat. Top
Tiara.
hat. What?
Tiara.
Yeah, what with it?
You said tiara.
I don't care. Police hat, crown, coon high hair, spend high hair, cupid's hair, hero hair, blue king of hearts crown, red king of hearts crown, queen of hearts crown, cowboy hat, banana hat, blinky blonde hair, beach hat, beanie, candy bucket hat, soda express hat, cat ear hat, traffic cone, stop eye, brunette hair, winter beanie.
Yours is in a different order than mine.
Oh, well, okay. No, it's not there.
It's for me. It's right there. Wait a minute. What is? Wait, follow me.
What is what?
Follow me. Where is it? Oh, it's here. Did it say like 5 stars?
Yeah.
Why can I leave a review again?
There, I left. Do I need to, like, grab it?
No, you should have.
Yeah, because I did pull this down.
No, you have it clipped.
Did I?
Yeah. But wait. Follow me. No. Come in.
Wait, I'm just checking if it's in my hat. Hat, golden halo. Yeah, I got it on.
Then look. With the halo glows. On my main account, I'm a cat with a banana hat on.
Rawr. Guys, I'm not sure what to do. Put in the comments of this video what I should do next. Like, not what I do tomorrow, like what my next series should be. Like, should it be Girl Tag? Should it be Job Simulator? I don't know. Should it be VRFS?
Among Us VR.
VRFS?
VR.
Basketball Zero? No, Basketball Zero?
Big ball.
Big
Ball
Ballers 26. We've got I've got Gym Class VR. I think that's all I've got, and that's all we're doing today. See you in the next one.